A long time ago, in a land called Moab, lived a woman named Naomi with her husband and 2 sons. But then, something very sad happened. Naomi's husband died, and soon, both her sons did too. Naomi decided to go back to her home in Bethlehem. Her daughters-in-law, Ruth and Orpah, walked with her. Naomi said to Ruth and Orpah, "Go back to your homes, my daughters, may the Lord be kind to you." Orpah gave Naomi a kiss and went back, but Ruth held on tight. Ruth said, "Where you go, I will go. Your people will be my people, your God, my God." When they reached Bethlehem, Ruth and Naomi were very poor. Ruth went to gather leftover grain in the fields. The field belonged to a kind man named Boaz. Boaz asked his worker, "Who is that young woman?" His worker told him, "She is Ruth, who came back with Naomi." Boaz went to Ruth and said, "Stay in my field, and don't worry. I have told the men not to bother you." Ruth bowed low and said, "Why are you so kind to me?" Later at night, Naomi had a plan. She told Ruth, "Wash, put on your best clothes, and go to Boaz tonight." Ruth did just as Naomi said. Ruth freshly dressed, walking quietly in the moonlight toward the threshing floor. Then she lay at Boaz's feet. When he woke, he said, "Who are you?" Then Ruth gently said, "I am your servant, Ruth. Spread your cloak over me." Boaz said, "Don't worry, I will do everything you ask." Boaz kept his promise. He married Ruth, and they become part of God's great plan. And soon, God gave them a baby boy, and they named him Obed. And guess what? One day, Obed became the grandfather of King David.